Example 1. Convert (75) base 10 to base 4. Solution. Now we need to draw our table. The number that we're using to convert, which is 4, that we are converting to rather. Now, what we are supposed to convert, which is 75. In this case, 75 divided by 4, that's what? 18, because 18 times 4 is 72. So remainder what? That will be remainder what? Remainder 3. Now we use 4 again. 18 divided by 4. What do we have? That is 4. Because 4 times 4 is what? 16. So the remainder is going to be what? If you take away 16 from 18, that's 2. Now we convert again. Divide by 4. 4 divided by 4. What do we have? 1. Remainder what? 0. Now, dividing by 4. 1 divided by 4. What do we have? 0. What is the remainder? 1. Don't forget to take it from down to up, the number. Then, we conclude. 75 base 10 is equal to what? From bottom to up. Don't forget. So that will be what? 1, 0, 2, 3. Base what? That's base 4. That is the solution to the problem.